Hi everyone, I would like to share this video with you because this video is very important for you guys if you wanna buy an auction car, damaged car. I've got a client, he bought that car from the auction. He thought it's just a minor damage on that car, that's why he bought it. So we never done anything yet on the car, we just from the recovery straight away into the garage. So basically we got the A-pillar is badly damaged here. The bonnet is aluminium and it's broken. There is one piece is missing and he got a couple of dents on it. Small dent on the wing, that's not a problem, that can be repaired. But the problem is, and the main issue, for somebody bought that car before or he had an accident, what they done, they bought a second-hand bumper, not really in good condition, but it's okay condition, just to cover the inner damage. You see, so they put that bumper on the car. They put the bumper on the car to cover the inner damage, the hidden damage inside under the hood. That wing, obviously you can see on the images before you buy the car, that's not a problem. The door, you can see it as well when the car is in auction, because this is seen damages. The quarter panel quite badly damaged, inside the door shut as well, that's need to be repaired. And then yeah, basically when we open the bonnet, that's all these damages, fuse box, chassis. So they never take that, the images, radiators, everything is smashed, everything is broken, slam panel is gone. See, so you have to be careful, guys, when you buy the car. You have to be very, very, very careful when you buy the car. If you see any panels different color on the car, so that means they put it temporarily just to sell the car. But yeah, when you see it face to face in person, you will definitely notice there is damage behind the scene. So you have to be very, very, very careful when you buy a car from the auction. When you see different colors, panels different color on the car, so that means the car, there is a big issue with it. They couldn't sell it, so they buy second-hand parts. And even that bumper is being bought, it's I'm putting the car, it's broken from here and it's broken from here as well. we have been completed the job now. As you can see, the car, the whole side was damaged. We replaced the front door and that wing and the bumper and the bonnet, and as you can see, the A pillars, was destroyed. Window screen was broken, that's been replaced. The other A pillar as well, was very bad damage. That wing was damaged as well. And then, as you seen from the beginning of the video, the reason I made that video because that guy, when he bought the car, he got cheated. As you can see from the beginning of the video as well, he had a second, the car was damaged, they couldn't repair it, the cost was gonna cost lots of money. He took it back to the auction and then he sold it from there. Basically he put a second-hand bumper, different color, and then headlamp was broken, he put them as well, just to get rid of the car. So as I said, the reason of my video, so you guys don't get cheated. When you see different color parts on the car, just avoid it. Don't try to buy that car. So now, I mean, the car has been bought already, and the guy, he got no other choice, but we repaired it. We managed to repair it for him, and with a very low cost. And now the car is finished and the customer is coming to pick it up. Guys, thanks for watching my video.